Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to day 40 of our series 99% in 99 days for CBSE mathematics. I am Ankit Sir coming here on a beautiful platform Diksha Vedantu Foundation YouTube channel every day to deliver a session on the preparation, on the revision of your mathematics, right? So we are doing everything, sir. We are doing all the chapters. We are doing today application of trigonometry part 2, okay? In this session, we'll talk about bacha only PYQs. I've taken total of 10 PYQs, okay? We'll solve that again and we'll learn the concepts again through the number of questions that we are solving. Why solve questions, sir? Because in exams, you have to end up solving, you have to solve the questions to get those marks. That's why let's practice from the question side. I hope this is clear, okay? So I hope you're prepared. I hope you're having the energy, okay? Very important chapter, 6 marker, 5 marker question can be asked over here. Not 6 marker means either a case study with an MCQ or 2 marker or a 5 marker question can be asked in this particular chapter. I hope this is clear. So we'll take all the 10 PYQs, we'll solve them, and I'm sure that at the end of the session you'll be very confident in this particular topic. Is that clear? Okay, so please let us know anything that you have to ask in the comment section. Right now I'm starting the session. Take a pen and paper out and solve all these questions with me. Clear? Moving on, sir. Chaliye. So you can check here. The chapter plan is like this. So conceptual wise, only you have to understand the angle of depression and angle of elevation, how to look at that, how to get those angles, and again those two are acute angles, so no problem whatsoever. Again, you have to work on only word problems here, bacha. Mostly questions are asked in word problems only. The main part here, the most important part over here is from the word problems, get the data, okay, and draw the figure. Once you're able to draw that particular right angle triangle and that is correct, then your answer is for sure coming right, because you know the trigonometric ratios, right, for the special angles. If you know the special angles ratio, use that, right, have the right angle, a triangle drawn perfectly, and then you get the answer for sure correct. Clear? Chaliye, moving on to, if you check here, the kind type of question that can come from here is MCQ, 2 marker, 4 marker and 5 marker. You can expect this question in this category, okay? 5 marker question is asked more of the times, but MCQ can also be expected. Again, chapter wise weightage is not there. Whole unit has a weightage of 12 marks, okay? Whole unit has a weightage of 12 marks, bacha. But in trigonometry applications, you can check 6 marks can be asked, 5 marks, 6 marks can be asked, in particularly, especially in the case of case study. Case study can also be asked, okay? Chaliye. So first question we have, let's solve them. Let's solve all the questions, but let's look at the first question over here that we are having. At some time of the day, the length of the shadow of a tower is equal to its height. Whenever you have in a right angle triangle, length of the shadow. Shadow will be bacha what? We're on the ground, na? So this is the shadow, right? This is the shadow, sir. What about the height of the tower? So this is the height, sir. Height of what? Of tower. They are equal means what? They are equal means simply this angle, reference angle has to be what, bacha? Has to be 45 degrees, because tan 45 is what? 1. So ratio will be h to this value is x, let's say this is x, then what are we gonna getting? H to x is coming as 1 to 1, na? Only when theta is 45 degrees, okay? So check this out. Altitude means the angle of elevation, right now. The angle of elevation, how much is that? 45 degrees. Option B suits here. Please check the answer is option number B, 45 degrees. Clear hai? Okay, moving on. Question number 2. Chaliye. When a point is observed, the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal, okay, means let's say there's a point over here that we are observing, which is at a height like this. We are observing from here, let's say call the point to be O, and the point we are observing is point A, okay? With the horizontal, the angle of the line of sight will be this, bacha. This line of sight, no? What is this called? Line of sight. Great, sir. So the angle with the horizontal. So this angle, let's call it theta, being viewed is above the horizontal level, means like this, na? If it is below, means it will be like this, let's say alpha. Below the horizontal level, so like this, okay? Above means like that, what I've taken. So this will be called as what? Angle of depression, right? You know this? Angle of depression. And this will be what? Angle of elevation. So this will be what, bacha? This saying, viewed up is above the horizontal level, okay? Means angle of elevation, option number A is suitable. No problem. Looking like this, angle of elevation, looking like this, angle of depression. Observer is over here, object is down like this, angle of depression. Looking over there, angle of elevation. So angle of elevation for the line of sight like this, line of sight like this, angle of depression. Clear hai? Okay, chaliye. Question number 2, option number A is suitable. Please have a look. Question number 3, can we do it? What it says, if the elevation of the sun is 30 degree, okay, means theta is given as 30 degree, then the length of the shadow cast by a tower of height 150 meter is what? So again, height of the tower, shadow length, angle. Okay, what's the angle, sir? Please check. 30 degrees. What is this given as? Tower's height, right? So 150 meters. What are they asking? Length of the shadow. Okay, it means this is the value x they are asking. We know one thing, tan 30 use bacha. Tan 30 degree would be given by what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is how much? 150 meters by adjacent is again x meters. Clear? Okay, we're looking for x value, right hand 30, so value will be what? 1 by root 3 equals to 150 upon x, cross multiply here, x equals to 150 root 3 meters. Option suitable is C. Please check. Simple question, very simple na? Asked in 2021 paper, CBSE 2021 paper, great. Question number 4. A bridge across a river makes an angle of 45 degrees. Means bridge is making the angle. Okay, means let's say this is a river. Okay, this is a river, bacha. This is a, let's say, river. Okay, the stream can be in any direction. So there's a bridge. Okay, bridge has an angle. It means it is not straight. It is like this. Angle is 45 degree with the river bank. It means either this way. Okay, so basically, yeah. This is 45 degrees, sir. Okay, this is 45 degrees, sir. Please check. Great, bacha. Now what we are getting? If the length of the bridge across the river, they've given it here 150. This is what, bacha? This value is 150. Length of the bridge, right? Is what, sir? 150 meters. Okay. Find the width. What is the width, sir? This is the width, no? Please check. This is the width, right? Let's call the width to be, let's say, W in this case. Notice this length. I've written here 150 already. This length. Please check. If you want, I can write it over here also. 150 meters. Clear? This is a bridge. I'll call the bridge to be, let's say, A, B, and this is C. So bridge is what, bacha? AB is the bridge. Bridge is what, sir? AB length is the bridge length. Okay. We're looking to find what value of W, right? What value we're gonna use? So this is the right angle triangle. Opposite by hypotenuse, so sine theta. So sine of 45 degrees will be what, sir? The width W by 150. Opposite, for this reference angle, opposite is what? W by hypotenuse is 150. Okay, chaliye. How much is that? 1 by root 2 equals to W by 150. Do one thing, cross multiply. What we're getting? So 150 by root 2 is the width. We can rationalize this. So 150 into root 2, and when you multiply root 2 in the denominator, what are you going to get? Simply 2, sir. So cancel this. 75. I'm getting simply the width as, check here, the width as 75 root 2 meters. Meters, right? Unit, please check. It's meters only, no? Meters, right? Yeah, meters, sir. Have a look. So answer is option number D. Please check. Option number D. A very good question. It's difficult for students to make this figure. I told you, only thing that matters in height and distances in the application of trigonometry is the figure part. Once you get the figure right, you are done. That is it. Okay, so make sure that you are getting the figure right all the time. How can you do that? By practicing more and more questions. Now let's move on. Okay, and again I have a very important announcement for all of you, all 10th graders. What is the announcement? So the announcement is, if you're having a doubt that what to do after 10th grade, while talking with your friends, with your family members, or anywhere you are having this discussion that what is coming up for you guys after 10th grade, then answer might not be clear to you. Okay, you're not sure that whether should I go with science. Okay, but what in science? So like bio or mathematics. Okay, like PCM or PCB, or I don't want to take science, I want to do commerce, I want to take arts. But don't choose the subject because you don't like the other ones. Choose something that you like. Okay, don't choose because, sir, I don't like science, maths, so I will choose commerce. Don't do that. I've seen students making this mistake. Okay, so second, people, that can be somebody, okay, very clear what they're looking for. Like they're looking for competitive, let's say competitive examination, they want to do JEE or NEET, okay, whatever they want to do, okay, KSET. So again, if you are having not clarity, or if you are not decided yet, do one thing. Take this program, DSAT, Diksha Scholarship Aptitude Test. We organize every year. This year also we have organized this. Again, on the Sundays for 3 hours. Okay, you have to give 3 hours of your time on Sundays at our offline campuses, Diksha. Once you reach the campus, once you are there, what is going to be happening now? This whole program will help you decide to make a decision on what subject you should choose, what exams you should write. Means they help you understand your competency level, whether you stand in preparation for JEE, KSET and NEET, and how can you get better at your preparation. Okay, means how can you improve your your work and get that goal that you're looking for, right? So this will be a tool that will help you, enable you to take the right career choice. Is that clear? How can you do that? The link for this web page is given in the description. Go ahead, check out the link, fill out all the details, okay, and then what you're gonna do, get in touch with our team. They'll help you book a slot on Sunday. It has to be booked, right, because a whole team has to be present there to help you out with that. So and you should have the time also to do all of that. First of all, just know this: to book a slot, enroll here, get in touch with the team. Sunday offline campuses, Diksha. Second thing is, again, 3 hours will be required your time. How actually this will help you? This will enable you to make the right career choice. I'll talk about that at the last in detail. Actually, the structure, if you look at the structure of the program, you'll be cleared like how actually it is helping you. Okay, so right now just understand this: 3 hours offline campuses, Diksha, on Sunday. I know you can do it. Please make sure that you are taking advantage of this thing that is available to you right now to help you make the right career choice. Clear? Okay, chali. So with this understanding, I am moving on to our question number 5. Again, a PYQ. Please check. Usually there is no such reason asked in this particular chapter, but they might ask. Okay, but for the PYQ, this is PYQ session, no, that's why I'm not taking a certain reason. If you go ahead and check the previous session, I've taken a certain reason, right? Today only PYQ we are doing, so that's why no certain reason, bacha. Okay, great. So the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. Okay, chaliye. This is a 2-marker question, sir. This is a 2-marker question. Okay, now let's look at the statement and draw the figure. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. Tower will stand like this. Let's call it AB. Okay, from a point on the ground. So ground will be over here. What is the angle of elevation, sir? 30. Okay, 30 meters away from the foot. So this is 30 meters. They are saying this. The point is 30 meters away from the foot. Okay, the observer is standing over here. Let's call this to be observer O. Is what, bacha? It is 30 degrees. So join this line of sight, and this angle will be what, bacha? 30 degrees. What are they asking? Height of the tower. Simple. Apply tan. They are looking for this value h. Simple question. Tan 30 degree would be equal to what, bacha? H by 30. Okay. What is it, sir? 1 by root 3. Root 3 times of 30 equals to h, right? Now right here, I have to rationalize this. What I'm getting? Please check. 30 by root 3 is there, na? Rationalize, sir. Root 3 by root 3. What I'm getting, sir? 30 root 3 by 3. Cancel this. 10 root 3 meters. This is my height of the tower. 10 root 3 meters. There's no given value of root 3. If you want, you can skip it, or if you want, you can write the value also. If you remember it, 1.73 we can write. Okay, 732 is actually there, so what we can write this as 17.32 meters. Okay, this is your answer for the height. Both answers are acceptable, bacha. If whether you write this part, okay, you write this part also, is okay. Both of them are acceptable. 2 marker, you can write the first answer also, pretty good, no problem. Okay, clear? Question number 5 is clear, simple, 2 mark questions. Okay, asked in 2023 paper, you can see very recent question. The questions can come like this. Okay, chali. 2 poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of a road. Okay, means there's a road somewhere. Check here, there's a road over like this. Let's call the road to be, let's say, AB. 2 pole stands. I can draw a bigger width to make this figure more relevant. Okay, I did more. Okay, AB. Okay, now 2 poles of equal heights. Great, na? Equal height means this, right? Same height. This is H and this is also H. So let's call this to be PQ. So AP and BQ are the 2 what do you call poles. Okay, now which is 100 meter wide. This is what, but sir, this is 100 meters, sir. The road is 100 meter wide, correct now? Okay, the road, have a look, don't get confused. The road is 100 meter wide. That's how you take the data. Read the question and draw that in the given figure using all the information from a point between them. Now between them means between the point, okay, the poles, okay, but is it exactly in between? Have they set the center? No, they're not set, only a point between them somewhere. So let's call this point to be, let's say point, I can call it to be D. Okay, great, sir. The angle of elevations of the top of the poles are 60 and 30. Let's call this is 60 degrees, sorry, excuse me, 60 and 30. Okay, 60 degree, and this is bacha what, 30 degree. That's how you draw the angle of elevation, no? That's how you draw the angle of elevation from that point D. Okay, find the height of the pole and the distance of the point from the poles. Means we have to find this distance and this distance. Okay, chaliye. So first we have to find the height, right? So if I take this value, let's say bacha, as x. Can I do that? Of course, sir, I can do x. How much is going to be BD? Please check. 100 minus x. How much is that, sir? 100 minus x. Okay, let's do one thing. Write h. This is h only, na? This value is h, sir, both of the places. Write h from this triangle using 60 degree and h from this triangle using 30 degree and equate them because they are equal, na? H will be equal to each other. Okay, so write the first triangle tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree equals to what, sir? Please check. Opposite, so AP, which is nothing but h by the adjacent, which is, sir, x. So h by x. What's tan 60, sir? Please check. Tan 60 is, sir, root 3. Okay, what I'm getting, cross multiply. Root 3x equals to h, sir. This is my first value. Okay, moving on, apply this in the second triangle BQD. Okay, chaliye. Tan 30 degrees, have a look. What is that? H again, opposite by adjacent. How much is that? 100 minus x. 100 minus x. What do you see here? Please check. 1 by root 3 equals to h upon 100 minus x. Do one thing, cross multiply. What we are getting, sir? 100 minus x equals to h root 3. Okay, but we know the value of one second. I can do better than this. Okay, yeah, I'll erase this also. Check this out. I'll write this 1 by root 3 over here. What is x, sir? Root 3x. What is h, sir? Root 3x. So replace that and write here 100 minus x. Okay, do one thing, cross multiply, bacha. What are we getting? We're getting over here 100 minus x equals to root 3 into root 3. So simply 3x. Please check. Root 3 into root 3, 3x. Okay, bring this root minus x over this side. What I'm getting, 100 equals to 4x. Minus x comes here, becomes plus x. Okay, I'm getting x equals to 25 meters. 25 meters. Okay, now if you ask me what is the height, sir, please check my final answer over here. The height will be, sir, root 3x, no? So 25 root 3 meters. 25 root 3 meters. What about this distance? 25 here, and this is 75, sir. What is this value? 25 meters. And how much is this? 75 meters. Please check. So if you want my final answer, I can write it over here. Please check. H value is coming as 25 root 3 meters. AD is 25 meters. And PD is 75 meters. They asked the distance of the point D from both the poles, 25 and 75, and the height of the pole is what? 25 root 3 meters. Is that clear? I hope this is visible to all of you. Please have a look. Have a look. Okay, great. All clear. Moving on to question number 7 now. Yes, no doubts, right? Chaliye. Simple question. Okay. Question number 7. A pole 6 meter high is fixed on the top of a tower. Okay. So there's a tower like this. Let's call the tower to B. Tower is AB. Tower is like that, na? This is a tower, bacha. What is this? This is a tower, sir. Pole is on the tower of 6 meter high. So let's call this to be AC. Okay, this AC length is what, bacha? This is the pole, sir. Okay. How much is this value is 6 meters. Great. They've given here. Moving on. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole observed from a point P on the ground. So point P on the ground. So like this, let's call this point to be P. Angle of elevation for the top of the pole means at this point, right? So this is the angle of elevation, bacha. Please check. This is the angle of elevation is how much, sir? Is 60 degree. Please check. It's a 60 degree value. Okay. Now what is saying? We are done till here. And the angle of depression of the point P from the top of the tower means if observer is over here. Please check. Now the statement is changed. From the second statement, angle of depression of the point. So of the point P, angle of depression from which point? From the top of the tower. Top of the tower is what, sir? This point. We're looking from here now. Looking at which point? At point P. So we'll go like this now. Angle of depression means this is the angle of depression, 45 degrees. All of you agree? Now the observer is at the point A at the top of the tower and looking at the point B. Okay, so like this we get the angle of depression. Same thing, alternate interior angle. So 45 degrees. Okay, now let's have a look. So we have done till this part. Find the height of the tower. So let's call this to be, this height to be, let's say H. AB will be H, bacha. Okay, and the distance of the point P from the foot means this they're asking. Okay, now apply your ratios in triangle ABP. Check here. Triangle ABP. Okay, apply what, sir? Reference angle 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is what, sir? Opposite, which is that H by adjacent. Let's call this to be PB or BP. What are we getting? Check here. I'm getting this as tan 45 is what, sir? 1 equals to H by PB. What I'm getting, sir? PB is also equals to H meters. This is what, sir? This also is H, na? We know that, right? 45 degree means opposite and adjacent will be equal because ratio is always 1. Now apply for 60 degree. So which triangle, sir? CPB. Check here. Or CBP. Triangle CBP. The big right angle triangle CBP. This is the right angle, right? Check here. CBP means the height of the tower and pole together. Okay. So apply the, again, tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree will be what, bacha? Will be CB upon PB. Upon PB. What is CB, sir? CB is 6 plus H. What is PB, sir? Please check here. H again. Now have a look at the calculation. Tan 60 is what, sir? Root 3. What about this? Remains as it is, 6 plus H upon H. Write it over here. What I'm getting, sir? Root 3H minus H, okay, equals to 6. How come, sir? First we multiply H over here and then bring this H on this side. So H into root 3 is root 3H and bring H over here becomes minus H. Take H common. Root 3 minus 1 equals to 6. Bring that on this other side. 6 upon root 3 minus 1. Rationalize the denominator to get the rational denominator, of course. So 6 times of root 3 plus 1. Okay. Denominator, sir, please check. Root 3 is square. So 3 minus 1. How come, sir? Multiply this. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Multiply. Rationalizing it, right? Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. A minus B, A plus B. Answer is A square minus B square. So have a look. What is the A square? Root 3 square is 3. 1 square is 1. What are we getting? We are getting 6 times of root 3 plus 1. Okay. Divided by 2, sir. How much is that? Simply check here. Cancel, no? 3 times of root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1. Okay. So if you want to continue, have a look. What is this value? This value is for H, right? This is the whole thing for H, right? So I can write this H as what we're getting. Please check. 3 times of root 3 plus 1, right? Please check. Yeah. Meters. Have they given the value of root 3? Please check. Have they given? They have not. But we can take, right? Remember the value of root 3 and root 4. Sorry, root 2. I forget. I know I said root 4 by mistake. Root 3 is what, sir? 1.73 plus 1. Okay. Or I can take 1.732 also. No problem. Meters. So what I'm getting, sir? Please check. 3 times of, how much is that? 2.732. 3 to 6. 3 3 is 9. 3 7 is 21. So 1 carries 2. 3 to just 6 and carries 2. So 8. So 8.196. So I can simply write this as same answer, no? Meters. This is the height of the tower. Height of the tower is what? 8.196 meters. And what is the distance, bacha? Same thing. This both are coming as same result. How much is that? 8.19. I can write this meters. Or 8.2 also is okay. Okay, so your choice. 8.19 meters is my final answer. I hope this is visible. Please have a look. Please have a look. Okay, chaliye. Check it out. Question number 7 is done. Moving to question number 8. Had fun solving question number 7? Good question. It was a PYQ from, please check. Which year was this, bacha? This was Delhi paper 2024. Okay, chaliye. Question number 8. Let's look at question number 8 now. What it says, from the top of a 7-meter high building. Okay. So observer is standing now at this point. So A is here, B is here. This is what, sir? 7-meter high. Observer is over here from this top, right? From this top of the building. What is this, sir? This is my building, bacha. Okay, building. All right. Chaliye, 1 second. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. Cable tower is here. Let's call this to be again. Some extra length I've drawn, so I'll call it to be C over here and D over here. Forget this part. Okay, chaliye. So CD is like that. Okay, and top of the tower, right? So something like this. How much is this angle of elevation? 60 degrees. They have mentioned here. Angle of depression of the foot means like this. You have to look. How much is this? 30 degrees. Okay, chaliye. So this angle is what, bacha? 30 degrees. How come, sir? The pair of alternate interior angles, hai na? Parallel lines. Both of them are horizontal. No, this is again horizontal parallel line, right? Na? So they are parallel. So the pair is alternate interior angles. No problem. Chaliye. Have they given something? This is 7, sir. So I can take this to be again 7, sir. Okay. Let's take this value to be x. This AC to be x. Can I find x value? Can I find x value? Of course, sir. In triangle ABC we can use, or BAC. Please check. Triangle BAC. Apply tan 30. Apply tan 30. Please check. Tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite, sir? 7 by adjacent is how much, sir? X. 7 by x. Clear? Okay. So what's the value over this? 1 by root 3 equals to 7 by x. Simplify this, cross multiplication. X is 7 root 3. X is 7 root 3 meters. X is 7 root 3 meters. So if that is the case, what is this value, sir? Again, 7 root 3 meters. 7 root 3 meters. Have a look. 1 second. 7 root 3 meters is also the same value over here. Correct? 7 root 3 meters. Once you know this, can you find this? If I take this point over, let's say point P, can you use the triangle BPD or BPD? Yeah. BPD or BDP. Okay. Apply this case now, tan 60. Tan 60. This time tan 60, sir. Have a look. Opposite. Opposite is what, sir? DP. Let's write this as DP only. Upon what, sir? Upon this BP. How much is that? Adjacent. 7 root 3. How come, sir? Please check. These two are equal lengths, na? BP and AC. Equal lengths. Okay. So right here, what is tan 60, sir? Root 3 into 7 root 3 equals to DP. How much is that? Check here. 7 root 3 plus root 3. So 21. 7 into 3, right? So 21 is the answer for DP. What are they asking now? Determine the height of the tower. Means they are asking CD, no? Height of the cable tower. Height of tower is what, sir? Is CD, right? CD. So what will that be? 7 plus 21. This is coming as, please check. This is coming as 21, right? So what will that be? 7 plus 21. How much is that? 28 meters. 28 meters. Please have a look. Good question. Delhi paper 2023. Simple only, right? Once you get the figure right, question is simple. How come, sir? Ratios you know. If you know the ratios, answer is very, very simple to get, bacha. Have a look. Okay. Any other doubt you have in the session, let me know in the comment section. You will certainly. Okay, sir. Chali. Moving on. to question number 9, sir. Okay. Question number 9. From the top of a tower 100 meter high, a man observes two cars. This is a tower. Okay. Tower is over here. Observer is where, bacha? Observer is here. So let's call this point to be O, and the man is over here at this point, OM. Okay, let's call this. And the man observes the two cars opposite sides. Okay, means one car is over here, let's say. One car is over here. Another car is like this. So he's observing at both the sides. Angle of depression is 30 degree. So this angle is, let's say, 30 degrees. And this is what, bacha? This is 45, right? 45 degrees. Okay. Find the distance between the two cars. So let's call this point to be point A, point B. What did they've given? They've given the tower height as 100. Okay. Chali. Let's solve it. 30 is given here. Again, alternating angle, 30 degree over here. 45 means this is also 45, sir. No problem whatsoever. 45 degree over here. So we know this. We can write in triangle BOM. Triangle BOM. Please check. Okay. What we can do, bacha? Tan 45. How much is that, sir? Please check. 100 by OB. है ना? 100 by OB. How much is tan 45, sir? Simply 1. So 1 equals to 100 by OB. So what we're getting? The length OB as coming as 100 meters. Coming as 100 meters. So this value is 100 meters. We're looking for what? We're looking for the entire distance AB. So we have to find AO also. So apply now in triangle AOM. Triangle AOM. AOM, sir, forgive me. Okay. Tan 30 will be applied now. Same way. Opposite. So OM, opposite by adjacent. So again 100. How much is that? AO, please check it out. So what is tan 30, sir? 1 by root 3. 100 AO, cross multiply. So AO is coming as 100 root 3. They've given the root 3 value. Please check here. 1.73. So multiply it with this. So 100 into 1.73. How much is this? 173 meters is my value of AO. Okay. What are we looking for? The entire length AB. The entire length AB. Please check this out. AB is going to be what, sir? The length AO plus OB, right? How much is that, sir? 173 plus 100. AO is 173, right? Over here. AO is 173. OB is 100. Add them. My result will be here as 273 meters. 273 meters. Is that clear? Please check it out. 273 meters is the right answer. Please have a look. Question number 9 is over. Have a look. Question number 10 next. Simple question, right? Question number 9. Looking for distance between, let's say car A is over here, car B is over here. Looking for distance between them, right? So we use the triangles. They've given angle of depression like this. We use the alternative angle to get the angle of elevation again, or reference angle to get the applying the value of OB and AO. We applied the tan 30 and tan 45 respectively and got the answer as 273. Clear, right? Moving on to question number 10. Chaliye. A bird is sitting on the top of a 80 meter high tree. Okay, great. Let's call the tree to be like this. This is a tree. So 80 meter is this. This is again, let's call the tree's name to be AB. Where's the bird? Bird is here. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation is what's 45 degree? Means like this. So ground is like that, na? Let's call this point to be, let's say, O. Angle of depression is like this, na bacha? 45 degrees. So reference angle will become what? 45 degrees by the property of alternate interior angle. Great. So we have done till this part. Read the next statement. Bird flies away horizontally in such a way that it remained at a constant height. Means now bird position has moved to this point. Let's call this to be B dash. Bird has moved now to B dash. So we're gonna again now bird is looking like this. Okay. The angle of depression has to change, right? To what, bacha? Please check. The angle of elevation now from this point, okay, at the same point is what, bacha? It's changed to 30 degrees. How much is that? 30 degrees now with the same height. How much is the height? 80 meters only. Let's call this point to be, let's say, point D. Okay. So I have now A, B, O, A, B and O, D, B dash. How much is that? B dash. How How much is that? B dash. Not clear? I can change. Not clear. This point is bacha B dash, okay? B dash, sir. Okay? Clear now? Chaliye. Now we had to find what? We have to find the, okay, this took time of how much? 2 seconds, right? This took total of 2 seconds. Means from move from point B to B dash, okay? Time taken to go from where? From B to B dash is how much? 2 seconds, okay? 2 seconds. Chaliye. Find the speed of the flying bird, okay? Find the speed of the flying bird. We are looking for speed, right? Speed is what, bacha? Speed is distance upon time. Distance upon time. Okay, distance. We have to find time. We already know. So we have to find a distance. So we are looking for the value what? BB dash. We are looking for this value. BB dash. Okay, chali. So we can find AD, right? Once you find AD, we can find this is the same, no? AD and BB dash is same thing. Correct, right? Chaliye. So apply the triangle ratio in triangle OAB first. Check out here. Triangle OAB first. Tan 45. Okay. In triangle OAB we have tan 45 degree. Reference angle is what, sir? Tan 45. Please check here. OAB. Check here. OAB. What's the angle? 45 degrees, sir. Okay. How much is that going to be? AB, which is that, sir? 80 by OA. What is OA, sir? What is OA, sir? Please check. OA is going to be, sir, 80 only, no? Because tan 45 is how much, sir? 1, right? Tan 45 is 1, no? So we can write this as OA is 80 meters. We're getting this value as 80 meters only. Check this now in triangle ODB dash. Triangle ODB dash, okay? What ratio is that? Tan 30. Tan 30. Apply that. Tan 30 degrees again equals to what, bacha? BD dash or B dash D, sorry, upon what, bacha? OD. How much is that? This is going to be, sir, 80 only. Height is kept same. Please check. Remain at the constant height. So height is kept same. Okay. By OD. Please check it out. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 equals to 80 by OD. Okay. So I'm getting this value OD as 80 root 3. 80 root 3. Is that clear? Okay. Clear? 80 root 3. Not visible that. Great. I'll change the color over here of the ink. So 80 root 3 meters. Now visible? Better. Okay. So we are looking for what value? AD, right? Check out here. Looking for the value AD. How much is that going to be? OD minus OA. Please check. AD is OD minus OA. How much is the OD? 80 root 3. 80 root 3 minus, how much is that, sir? OA is simply 80. Please check it out. OA is 80, OD is 80 root 3. Take 80 common. 80 is common. How much is that, sir? Root 3 minus 1. Again in meters. How much is that, sir? Please check. 80. Root 3 minus 1 is how much, sir? Root 3 values they have given 1.732. So write it here. 1.732 minus 1 meters. We are getting this as simply 80 times of 0.732. Okay. Divide this by 1000. Okay. Check this out. This goes out. Okay. What I'm getting now? 8 to the 16. 8 to the 24 and 1. 25. I'm getting 2. 8 sevens are 56 plus 2. 58. By 100 is there, right? So by 100, simply 58.56 meters. Right? 58.56 meters. Please multiply once again. 16 then carries 1. 24 plus 1 5. 22. 56. Okay, plus 2 58. Correct, na? This is the answer. What is this answer for? The length AD, which is same as what, bacha? So we know this is going to be same as B dash. So again what? 58.56 meters only. Please check. This is my distance value. We're looking for what, sir? We're looking for speed, sir. How is going to be speed, bacha? Speed going to be distance by time, right? So BB dash by 2 seconds. Please check. Distance is what, sir? BB dash. Cross check here. Distance from here to here is BB dash upon time is how much, sir? 2 seconds. So divide by 2. What's the unit going to be? Meter per second. Hai na? Meter per second. Clear, right? So how much is that? Please check it out now. 58.56 by 2. So we get 2 here, 29, okay, and 2 to the 4 and 8, 29.28 meter per second. Looks right. Please check it out. Please cross check the answer. Speed is going to be 29.28 meter per second. Okay, please cross check. This is the speed of the flying bird, 29.28 meter per second. Yeah. Okay. Now, if you get a different answer, let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you're getting a different answer for this, let me know in the comment section. But I think it's correct only. Okay, I've not checked the answer, bacha. So I think it is correct only. 29.28 meter per second is the right answer for this particular question. I hope this is clear. Please have a look from the beginning. I hope the figure is clear how we drew it. From there, we had to find the length OD and OA to get the length AD. So OA is like this, OD is like this. To get OA, we subtracted them to get this value coming as 58.56, which is same as the BB dash. Once we get BB dash, divide that by 2, the time. The answer is going to be meter per second, 29.28 meter per second speed. Please have a look. Clear? Question 10 is over. Yeah. This is it, bacha. Now I promise that I will talk about the DCET program's structure to help you understand how it actually helps you. So 3-hour session Sunday, offline campus is Diksha. Clear. Book a slot. Go. Link is given in the description. Check out the link. Book a slot. Enroll and book a slot. Get in touch with the team. Everything is clear. Structure wise, 3-hour session. Great. First hour will be a lecture. Means we will teach you something for first hour. In that you'll be taught a concept for 45 minutes. Last 15 minutes will be for doubt session. Means you can ask your doubts in last 15 minutes for whatever you have learnt. You learn something in 45 minutes, ask your doubts in last 15 minutes. Clear? 1 hour is over. Next 1 hour, aptitude test. You have to write an aptitude test, bacha. Very clearly, write a test based upon what you've learned. Can you see the uniqueness now? We will assess you on that perspective. Now, coming back to the last hour, we will evaluate your paper. Okay. Again, you can sit back with our team of counselors and experienced faculties. Okay, which will help you understand the process, your approach to problem solving, how you are able to visualize the question, where can you improve. If you're doing very good, then we will congratulate you that you have done a great job in your test. Okay, so we'll let you know everything that is positive or negative, whatever it is. We'll give you proper feedback. You can ask all of your doubts and queries that you have for your academic year. You can ask all of that as well. What you can do is, I'll suggest you take a piece of paper, write all of your queries and doubts in one place, and then take that paper with you on the day of the program. Okay, Sunday. And when you do that, ask your queries with them. Okay, with the counselors and with the teachers. I'm very sure that when you're leaving from the center, you'll be very happy that you got all the answers. You're very clear what you want to do, and this will help you, with the right career choice. That's it. Okay, so this is the 3-hour session. So very uniquely designed. You can check here. Again, once you are done with all of this and you want to join us for your preparation of 11th and 12th, whatever it is, whatever you've decided, you get a very good scholarship based upon the test that you've written for your admissions. So make sure that you are able to, first thing is, make the right career choice. But if you are joining us based upon this test only, you can get a very good scholarship also availed to you. You can see very unique test. You will not find a test like this available for you, in an offline program. So please go ahead, check it out. Offline centers, Diksha, Sunday, 3 hours. Clear, bacha? I hope this is clear. I'll see you in the next session. If you're new to the channel, okay, please subscribe to the channel. We are working so hard to come here and provide the sessions such in an organized way that is going to help you to achieve your goal of 99% marks. It's not a joke. You can do it. But if you are organized, if you're working hard every day, don't give time to other things. Right now, give your all time to studies. Just take care of your health, good food, good sleep, and study. That's it. Nothing else would be your priority right now. Okay, this is enough. For if you have a big goal in your life, this is not for everyone. If you are somebody who's looking for this, great things to happen for your life, in your academic life, then you have to put that effort from your side, right? Things will not happen for you, just because you are willing, wishing for it. The wishes doesn't make things happen. The actions does. You have to move on, take actions for your goals that you've decided with. Okay, so please make sure that you're putting a lot of efforts. Anything that you need from us, let us know in the comment section. We'll certainly get back to you with the solution of your situations and the problems that we are facing. Okay, I hope this is clear. So if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. If you feel that somebody needs have a similar requirement to what you're getting over here, please share it with them. Okay, and if you like the sessions, please like the video as well. Okay, so with this positive note, I'm ending the session. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.